Thanks, Matej. In this demo, I'm going to show just how easy it is to access Unity Catalog managed tables from a wide range of tools. I'll demonstrate how attribute-based access control allows you to easily mask sensitive data, such as PII. And finally, I'll show how governance also extends all across the ecosystem. Let's hop into the demo. We'll start here in the Catalog Explorer. This is where I can view all of the data and AI assets in my ecosystem. Here, I already have an Iceberg managed table set up, which contains data from a new marketing campaign that my team is working on. For all managed tables, whether Iceberg or Delta, Unity Catalog automatically handles performance tuning, data layout, and predictive optimizations. All managed tables are also accessible from external tools. I'll show just how easy this is using some of the tools that Matej just mentioned, EMR Trino, Snowflake, and DuckDB. Let's head over to EMR. Here, I already have it configured with Unity Catalog's Iceberg REST Catalog APIs. Unity Catalog has a full implementation of the spec, meaning that any Iceberg engine can read and write to it. So let's see this in action. First, I'll query that same table that we were just looking at in Unity Catalog. It looks like it doesn't have very much data, so let's go ahead and change that. And now I'll write to it as well. And we've just inserted 10,000 more rows from EMR Trino to the same table. Let's head back into Databricks, and I'll give this page a quick refresh. And here, you can see that the changes are automatically reflected in Unity Catalog. Again, this table is governed and tracked just like any other managed table. It doesn't stop there. I can also access tables from tools like Snowflake and DuckDB. In the interest of time, I'm going to go through these pretty quickly. Here, I already have Snowflake configured with Unity Catalog's Iceberg REST Catalog APIs. Again, let's query that same table. I also have DuckDB running locally. So again, let's query that same table. In just under 2 minutes, I've now accessed my Unity Catalog Iceberg managed table from 3 different tools. I've accessed it from EMR Trino, Snowflake, and DuckDB. And that barely scratches the surface of supported tools in the ecosystem. Now, as I'm looking at the sample data, I notice that this contains sensitive data, specifically email addresses. I want to make sure that those aren't exposed, so let's go lock that down. I'll apply a policy tag to that column instead of writing complex rules. Behind the scenes, this tag automatically applies our mask email function. So if I give this a quick refresh, you'll see that the data is now masked out. I can no longer see those email addresses. What makes this seamless is attribute-based access control. Admins can define ABAC policies at scale, and data producers can apply protections themselves to stay aligned with governance standards. Now, you might be thinking, with so many engines and tools in my organization, how is my poor data admin supposed to keep up? Unity Catalog is the only catalog that centralizes governance across engines. Let's see this in action. And to start, we'll head back into DuckDB. I'll query that same table that we were just looking at. And if everything is working as expected, I should expect to see that those email addresses are now masked out. Great. I've now verified that customer data is protected no matter what tool I'm using, even if I'm using something like DuckDB. To conclude, Unity Catalog makes it easy to manage data access, security, and governance across a wide range of tools. No matter what engine or format you are using, it all stays governed, searchable, and secure in one place. Thank you so much, and back to you, Matej.